Handyman, the most beautiful and powerful Flutter solution to launch your on-demand service platform faster and cost-effectively. And this ready-to-use solution consists of all the resources that you need to launch your platform successfully. Let's have a closer look at the user website. Handyman is truly universal solution for all the users who prefer big screen can explore and book their service using this website. Users can explore all the platform services from the website. They can make a new booking for the desired service, and they can also use the advanced filter for the needed service. And they can view the informations like provider's rating and full service information. And the new one can just sign up and existing one can just log in to book a new one. To understand how this whole system works and how all pieces fits together, you can check out our detailed walkthrough of this video. Handyman has already helped 500 plus businesses and individuals to launch their app in no time and without spending lots of money. Now is the perfect time to start your on-demand service platform with Handyman.